But if you want a little more privacy and keep people's fingers out of your cookie jar, you can build your own node for Bitcoin to run on and for you to process transactions for your company or for your person. So it's kind of like a decentralized open source PayPal system. And there's a couple ways to go about it. So what I do here is I just go into docs, you know, and hey, I want to deploy. So what's the best method for you to deploy? They have a pretty neat little graph here. And it's like, you know, what are your tech skills? Do you want Lightning or not? If you want it, Luna node is the easiest with the least amount of security. So it's a virtual server that it's all done for you. And that's the first use case, that's the first deployment method that I use for my use case. So the next level from that is like hosting it yourself. But if you don't want to deal with the software configurations, you can get these pre-made Bitcoin plug-and-play computers. Okay, these things go usually about $500. Here's another one. You know, and basically they come. It's a Raspberry Pi with a 1 terabyte drive and 32 gigabytes and blah 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 blah. If you don't want to do this, you can buy the parts, which I'm adding a list of parts at the end of this post because I'm on my way to building my own and I'll record it and stuff. So if you want to build your own too, you can use my part list at the end of this post. But you know, for now we're going to deploy on Luna node because it's the easiest and the fastest. So you know, you basically, here's Luna node, and I got an affiliate code, guys. I got an affiliate code, so please use my code if you're watching this video to receive Baba blessings tenfold and negative tenfold if you go around my links. So mote it be. But yeah, so I made an API credential and configured it to go on my own domain. So you can see on EasyDNS, I went in here and created an A record for zerowasteadvocacy.com. Okay, and launched. I did want you to see me do this, and unfortunately I already did it in another recording that froze. But the bottom line is it lets you pick the cryptocurrencies. You can do more in Bitcoin, but it'll cost because you're having to run these blockchains in a server, and it takes, you know, energy. So I'm just running Bitcoin and Litecoin payments on my node, and I chose 4 gigabytes because I got more than one currency. If you're just doing Bitcoin, you could do 2 gigs, and it'll be like $10 a month. So mine was like 18 because I got 2 currencies. But then I hit the button and you know, it's like, hey, configure your A record to go on your own domain if you want to do that, and I did that. And so here we go, zerowasteadvocacy.com, btcpay.zerowasteadvocacy.com. Here I am with my new virtual node with its own wallet. Let's see here. There's no wallets because the blockchains are downloading. It takes a couple days. So, but believe me, I got my currencies in here. But so the first thing I need to do, I think, is create a store. So I'm gonna call this Golden Age Botanica. Okay, so now I got a store. All right. And you know, you can add your own wallet, your Lightning info, or you can use theirs and create a new app. Golden Age Britannica, app type, point of sale, or crowdfunding. So you can either do a store or a crowdfund, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna do a point of sale. App name. Okay. I got my app. And so now I can just go in here and put my products, and when it's time to swap out the pictures, and then I'd have my own store going on once my node is done syncing the blockchain, which you could probably see right here in the corner. Let's see if I can get it down there. It's not going to show you, but it says in the bottom right corner, it's like your nodes are syncing. I'm still learning how to do this, guys. Sorry. But anyways, so I just set up my own server on BTC Pay using Luna Node. All right, and I'm up and running, and I can plugs in. It integrates into WordPress. It integrates into Magento, WooCommerce, Drupal. You know, lots of different. God, this is so big. Let me see if this. So anyways, I'm just going to add this video to the blog, and hopefully it works out. But bottom line, get your own Bitcoin payment node to avoid fees and for more security. And next week I'm going to build my own Raspberry Pi node. Okay, so I'll be able to get off. Actually, if you use my Luna node, you get 2 months free. So it's a good place to start. So that's where I started. My next level will be building my own little credit card size computer node. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about that. But yeah, so like the video, hit the bell, and you know, give me some love. So I need to get a couple hundred more likes on this channel so that I can connect it to the crypto YouTube, which is a whole nother video. But hope you enjoyed, hope you got some benefit, and if you have any questions or need any help,